Hello, welcome to Empty Displays YouTube channel. Today we will be reviewing Mastersign family. Mastersign fixed board, Mastersign flex poster, and Mastersign flex board. Let's take a closer look to this family. All these family members suitable for outdoor and indoor usage, and all have logo area on both sides with recessed areas which covers your printing. There's a small slot on Mastersign Flex poster. You can open it easily and you do not need to open all the poster size. The cover on poster has the same color as product body. The way poster grip is not seen from the front for aesthetic concern. That way it can resist direct sunlight and doesn't get yellow in time. Mastersign Flex board and Mastersign fixed board has three options for poster surface: self-adhesive poster, chalkboard foil, and dry-bar foil poster. It's easy to carry one place to another. Mastersign Flex board and Mastersign Flex poster are designed with swinging spring. This feature keeps the product in balance in windy conditions. To make your product more heavier, you can fill it up with water or sand. They are all available in beige, black, brown, and gray. They don't get any damage in case of falling, crash, or in harsh conditions. Empty Displays engineers and designers have thought of everything for you. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Stay healthy.